Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Clearly not the normal type of video that I put out, but I thought it would be one to kind of fill in some gaps where it's been so cold here that I can't get out and go fishing like I'd like to. So today I was thinking about doing a video on a package that I received in the mail. So if that's of interest to you, stick around, I'll show you what I got. So about 2 weeks ago, I was reached out to via email by a company. The company is called Catchmore, and predominantly they market jig bodies, plastic jig bodies for crappie, but also for bass. They have jig heads, things of that nature, other types of tackle. And they reached out in an email, said that they liked the content that I was putting out on my YouTube page and was curious if I'd be interested in trying out some of their gear, just to put it in some of my videos, test it out, see how it worked, that type of stuff. So did some quick research, went to their website, checked out their product line. I recognized that they were a veteran-owned business. Their stuff is made here in the USA. Two big pluses as far as I'm concerned. I'm always willing to support a veteran-owned business as long as it seems like everything's on the up and up, and it clearly is with this company. So I responded back to the email, said, yeah, absolutely, send me a couple things and I'll put them in some future videos, try them out on the water. I have no problem with that at all, and I look forward to it. So just got a package in the mail yesterday, and I'm going to open it up. Got the list here of everything that was sent to me, and I am going to go through everything here real quick on that they sent me, and we'll go from there. Stand by. Okay, so Darren is the one that reached out to me over there at Catchmore. I believe he's the owner. Anyway, he sent me two different types of their jig bodies. One they refer to as their brush minnow, which is a 2-inch jig body. The other one that he sent me is called a Lil Bit, L-I-L-B-I-T, Lil Bit. And it's an 1.5 inch jig body, and those jig bodies appear to have a forked tail on the very tip of them, which I have to believe would provide quite a bit of awesome action there on the back end. So I'm going to run through real quick on the colors that he sent me. So the ones I'm going to start off with are going to be the 2-inch brush minnows. So this is chartreuse pumpkin. Hope you can see those. They come 15 to a pack. 15 jig bodies to a pack is what it looks like. I really like the packaging. If you can make that out there. Really tasteful looking packaging. Super cool. You can see here on the back. They're also on Facebook and Instagram. They got a website there, catchmorefish.net. That's their website. This is platinum. Again, these are all in the 2-inch brush minnow. White diamond. So many of these are so cool. They got some beautiful fleck in them. This is probably one of my favorite colors. This is sour grape. This one here is Grand Slam green. This is Midnight Magic. Like this color too. This is Feisty Red. Feisty Red. This is Purple Haze, H-A-Z-E. Really like that color. This is Golden Green. I couldn't believe how many of these jig bodies he sent me. I was expecting maybe 2, 3 packages. No, he overdid himself for sure. This is Thunder Chicken. I know a lot of you have heard of or used Thunder Chicken coloring. That's what those are. This is called Earth Tone. It's the Earth Tone color. A lot more subdued for certain watercolors. I think that'll be huge. Green Pumpkin and Watermelon combination. Fluorescent Chartreuse. Super bright. Love those. Fire Shad. And this is chartreuse pepper. Some really good looking flecks, black flecks in there. Really like these. All right, now moving over to the Lil Bits. Again, these are the 1.5 inch profile. If I get close enough, I think you can see the split tail there. Yeah, that should give you a good look at them. So all of these will have that split tail design, and they call them Lil Bits. This is the Cajun milk. I should have mentioned they're based in Shreveport, Louisiana, so there's your Cajun tie-in right there. Cajun milk on that last one. Purple haze again in that Lil Bit. Sour grape. Grand Slam green. White diamond. Cajun cricket. I know a lot of you are familiar with that color combination. I am as well. Cajun cricket. And then these are fluorescent chartreuse. Again, I couldn't believe how many Darren sent me. I was so appreciative to receive this package and see what all he sent my way. Yeah, there they are. I was going to say, he also sent me a package of 1/16 ounce jig heads. These jig heads are called Hatchet Heads. I'll try and pull one out and kind of give you a profile on them. If you can see that, yeah, I think you can there, where it's kind of got that point, kind of comes to a point like a hatchet. So as it's coming through the water, that's your leading edge. That hatchet point is your leading edge. I think those are gonna swim real nice. Real nice hook on them. So yeah, got a package of those as well in fluorescent green. Yeah, super excited. So stick around just a little bit longer. I will share some news with you I think you'll like, and I'll close this video out. Okay, so if you've watched this long, I do appreciate it. What I realize when I'm looking at the analytics on my YouTube channel is that most viewers don't watch till the end of the video. They only watch for the first couple 3 minutes until they lose interest or whatever, and they move on to another video or whatever. So if you've lasted this long, I do appreciate it. I appreciate it enough to want to give. You can see all these that they gave me. I'm so thankful for what Darren sent me from Catchmore. I want to pay forward some of these baits. So what I'm going to do is I expect this video right here to post somewhere around the 24th or 25th of January. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send 3 of these packages to one lucky viewer who comments on this video. So go down below and drop a comment. I don't really care what it says, to be honest with you. As long as it's a comment on this video, you'll be in the running. And the close date for that is January 31st of 2026. And we can run it till midnight. I don't really care, but I'm going to close it on January 31st so that I can get these in the mail and get them sent out. I'm going to send them out on my dime just as a thank you for watching this video and commenting. Again, I don't care what your comment is. Just leave a comment below. You can post whatever you'd like. I don't care. But one lucky person randomly will be selected. I'll reach out to you, get you a mailing address, and send 3 of these packages of these Catchmore baits to you so you can also try them out. So drop a comment down below. I will also link Catchmore's information in the description below this video. Appreciate you guys watching this. I know it's not the most entertaining type content, but we are in the middle of winter, and when I'm not able to get out and fish due to cold temperatures or whatever, I still like to try to put out some type of content. So thanks again to Catchmore. Darren, if you ever see this video, I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. I'm really looking forward to getting out in the next few weeks and trying some of these baits out on the water. And I will make sure and let you know that I'm using them out there for anybody that's watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that, and I will put the content out there coming up. You guys stay tuned. Happy New Year, and comment on this video. We'll get you some of these sent out. Catch you next time.